Yeah, guys, welcome back to Triatic TV, and this is what an open beehive look like. See that, guys? Honeybees at their best. Look at that. This is an open honeybees beehive. An open hive, which means they are not in a tree, they are not in a hole on a rock or anywhere. They are just building on the outside, underside of a tree. Beautiful. Guess what, guys? I'm here for them today. I'm gonna take them and put them in a nuke box. Put the box on top of the tree there for maybe a day or two. There's where I'm gonna put the box to rest for a day or two so that they can get settled in. But this is beautiful. So this is for all the bee lovers that never seen an open hive before. This is what an open hive look like. And you can please do remember to like, share, and subscribe to Triatic TV. You can also give us a follow on Instagram and also TikTok at Triatic TV. And this is beautiful. Let's show you guys something. See that, guys? That's all brood right there. That's all baby bees right there. That brown spot you're seeing like leather, that's all baby bees right there. I can see that they are finding a little bit of nectar, as you can see the glistening part there at the top. That's what we call nectar, soon to be turned into honey as soon as the bees do their thing and cap it off. That's what we call honey. This is awesome. But I'm gonna get to work now, guys, because I don't want the rain to come down again and stop my process from getting these girls. And guys, I should remember to tell you that most of these bees that you're seeing here are ladies. Yes, most of them are ladies. The drone bees, they cannot sting you because they come with different parts. But the females are the ones that sting you. So guys, I'm gonna get to work on this. I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, guys, I got the first piece of comb off already, and look at that. Going for the second piece of comb, and I haven't spotted the queen as yet, but still got some more combs to go, or maybe about 4 more pieces of combs. So just look at the fantastic work that these girls have put in. All that brown spot that you're seeing like leather, it's baby bees. And those white parts inside the cells, that's called larvae. That's more baby bees, which is not capped as yet. The brown part is the cap baby bees that will soon emerge. We call that hatching. Very, very nice. And they're pretty much calm because they haven't tried to sting me as yet, but maybe when I get further in the hive, we'll see. Okay guys, there you go. This is the third piece that I'm going in on. Third piece of comb, and as you can see here, bees have already emerged out of all these open cells that you're seeing there. And I guarantee you that they're all filled with eggs right now, that the queen bees already go back through and lay in every one of these cells that you're seeing open. And this side has cap brood there. Splendid. Absolutely splendid. So yeah guys, showing you finishing product. What try a thing I go on with. And it's a healthy colony of bees. Look at this guys. The march is on. Yes. The march is on guys. See that? It's a healthy colony of bees. And they're moving in my little new box that I'm putting them in. But sometimes I have to give them a little push. You know? Get them moving around to the entrance quicker. Because if you see, there's no comb. No comb. I remove all the comb. But because this was their natural destination, most of the bees that are coming back are coming under here, looking for the hive. But because these girls are up here at the entrance, and most of them is fanning at the moment, most of the bees are attracted to here because they're fanning, letting them know that this is where they are now. This is where they should come. I'm gonna go around the other side to give you guys a sneak view of what's going on around the other side. But yeah, don't joke night guys. Serious business. You understand? I get what? I get two sting. One for my knee and one in my back. But one in my back, boy, I tell you, I want them to make me jump, brother. Where? I have to jump, brother. I mean, they expect that one day, but the one in my knee, I mean, they expect, you know. That's how they stay. The other side here, guys. See that? Healthy colony of bees. And guess what, guys? There is the queen. There is the queen. I'm gonna go get my queen clip. I'm gonna go get my queen clip, guys. Let me go get my queen clip. I just spotted the queen. And this is what they call a queen clip. Or a queen cage. But I call it a queen clip. I'm going to get her now, guys. Once I get her in the box, it's practically a done deal. There she is. I got her, guys. There she is. There she is right there. That's the queen. She's the biggest bee inside the cage. She's at the bottom there. Hold on. It's not closed properly. No, I got her. There she is, guys. There. That's a queen bee. She's at the top. Coming down to the bottom again. There she is. That's the queen bee. Here she is. She's pretty. Now, because I catch the queen, or because I caught the queen now, I guarantee you what's gonna happen now. Everyone is gonna be attracted to her. So guys, just hold on, let me see if I can get her in the box. So that's where I put her, right in the middle, to the back of the hive. So tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow, I'll come back and I would release her so that she could get back to her whole ways, laying eggs and making the hive a little bit bigger. But yes guys, wonderful colony of bees. Put the cover back on now. Don't want to crush too much bees. Because no matter what you do, some of these girls are not getting out of the way. That is it. But yes guys, caught the queen, removed the combs, so now they have a new home. And please guys, do remember to like, share and subscribe to Try a Thing TV. Give us a follow on TikTok. And if you want more information, you can go over to Try a Thing TV and get all that information.